Hug Me by Igloo Books, illustrated by Daniela Dogliani. Hug me in the morning when soft sunbeams shine. Hug me by the blossom trees when the day is fine. Hug me when I drop back steady in a muddy puddle. Hug me when I've lost my way and I'm in a muddle. Hug me when my friends win all the gym class races. Hug me when my friend pulls scary monster faces. Hug me when I fall down so you make my tears stop. Hug me when I played all day and I'm too tired to hop. Hug me on a windy day when my friends go flying by. Hug me when the golden sun sets in the evening sky. Hug me in the evening, walking on the moonlit path. Hug me so the bubbles burst in my bubbly bath. Hug me when I'm almost ready to get into bed. Hug me and whisper softly, "You're such a sleepy head." Hug me when I fall asleep, and I will hug you too. There's nothing like a hug to say how much I love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share and subscribe. Have a great day.